and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sharnice, and in today's video we're going to be doing a review on Magic Spoon. So if you guys didn't know, I've been trying to do keto, and Magic Spoon is one of the lower carb cereals that can kind of fit into the macros for my carbs. So on this one, I think it's on all of these actually, the protein is 12 grams and then the carbs is 3 net carbs. So I am just going to be doing a tasting review for you guys. I got the, and this is not sponsored, I paid for this with my own money. I heard about this cereal through Keto Ninja on YouTube. I'll tag her channel down below, and I wanted to give it a try. I got the not the value pack because it was not cheap. It was about, I want to say $40 with shipping and everything, but you do get 4 decent sized boxes, so that's good. So I got the pack of 4, and the first kind is blueberry, fruity, frosted, and cocoa. So I'm going to be tasting all of these for you guys, and then I'm just using some almond milk unsweetened that I got from Sam's, and it is only 30 calories, pretty much no carbs, and 2.5 fat. So that is that. Alright, so the first one we're going to try is the blueberry. Now I have opened all of these and I have already tried these before, but I wanted to go ahead and do this for you. I did share some with my mom so that she could try them. So it kind of comes like in a bag like this. It's probably would be up to like right here. Again, I've given some to my mom and I've had a bowl of it. So we're gonna do the blueberries first. I'm not gonna pour a lot in here. Probably just a few, not even a few, but a couple spoons. Alright, so let's see how the blueberry tastes. I'm not going to leave it in here too long because I don't want to mess up the taste of the milk for the other ones. Alright y'all, blueberry, let's see. So blueberry is pretty good. It tastes like blueberry. You don't get that protein like aftertaste or anything. It's definitely crunchy like cereal. I like the blueberry. It doesn't have an odd taste to it or anything like that. So I like the blueberry. It definitely does taste like blueberry. And this is what they have on all of their boxes. High protein, keto friendly, gluten free, grain free, soy free, wheat free, nothing artificial, childlike cereal for grown-ups. It's awesome. I like the blueberry. Blueberry to go. Alright, fruity. This one tastes like, be nice if it tasted like Fruit Loops. That'd be great. What are some of y'all's favorite cereals? Y'all comment down below. I know some people don't really care for cereal. I do. Funny story, my mom would always tell me that cereal is how they got me off the bottle when I was a baby. And I love cereal. Like I can eat cereal any time of day or any type of meal. Love cereal. Alright, y'all, let's give this a go. Does not taste like Fruit Loops. I'm not really a fan of this one. You do taste the protein powdery with this one, and it does kind of have a little aftertaste. I think I taste a little strawberry with it, possibly. Yeah, I'm not really a fan of this one. This one just left an odd taste in my mouth. Moving on, so frosted cereal. This is the next one. Be nice if this one tasted like Frosted Flakes. I like Frosted Flakes. I like Frosted Flakes, Fruit Loops, Apple Jacks, Captain Crunch, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Honey Nut Cheerios. I have a lot of them that I like. So y'all comment down below, let me know what your favorite cereals are. Or even if you care for cereal. Because some people really don't. They don't have to have cereal. Alright. Frosted cereal. Let's give this a go. Honestly, I don't taste nothing. It doesn't taste like anything. It does have a little protein powdery hint to it. But honestly, it don't have a flavor. I don't really taste anything. I mean, it's not bad. It's definitely something that I could eat if I'm, you know, really craving some cereal. I can definitely eat it. So this one is a no-go for me for sure. The blueberry definitely I do like. That'll definitely help me out on my keto journey with eating cereal. This one is probably one you can mix in with blueberry or to get some flavor, but it really doesn't have any flavor to it, but it'll still kill that craving for me. All right, last one is cocoa cereal. I'm hoping this tastes like Cocoa Puffs. Alright. So Cocoa Puffs. Right? No. It's called, I'm hoping it tastes like Cocoa Puffs, but it's called Cocoa. This is cocoa cereal. Alright. This one's good. Really good. This one tastes just like Cocoa Puffs. Has that good chocolatey flavor to it. Tastes just like Cocoa Puffs. This one's really good. I don't get any protein mixed with really good. I really like this one. This one's probably my favorite. So to rate these, I would give this one 5 out of 5. That's golden. That's bomb. That's delicious. My top favorite. Next favorite is blueberry. I'd give it 4 out of 5. These are definitely dope. This one, I would give it like a 1.5, 2, because I can still eat it to get rid of that cereal craving, but it doesn't really have any flavor. It really entice me to eat it like these other two do. And then this was just a complete no-go for me. I didn't like the taste, the aftertaste. I didn't like this one really at all. It was really, really odd to me. But overall, I definitely would tell you guys to really check out Magic Spoon. You know, they have great alternatives to help us out on the keto diet if you're just trying to live a healthier lifestyle and have, you know, less carbs. And then they also do have like little fun puzzles and stuff to do on the back of the boxes. So if you guys have any additional questions or anything like that, let me know. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can check out this cereal. I will also link down Keto Ninja's review so you can see her review and get a feel for what she liked. But yes, I know my different look, my background looks a little different. We have moved again, you guys. It's crazy. But that is for another video. So stay tuned, and I will see you guys in my next video.